Module 2. Why Pinterest is Awesome. Social media marketing is slowly becoming the best way to do online marketing. Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Tumblr, and other social networking sites provide the best platform in reaching your target audience. Social networking sites provide a more personal delivery of marketing content to your target audience. Pinterest is fast catching up with the king of social networks, Facebook. As of January of this year, Pinterest reached the 11 million users according to Comscore. This number cements Pinterest's place in the tech history by being the fastest standalone site to cross the 10 million mark. May 2011, just measly 418,000 users. June 2011, saw an increase to 608,000 users. July 2011, it crossed the 1 million mark with 1,030,000 users. August 2011, 1,270,000 users. September 2011, crossed the 2 million mark with 2,023,000 users. October 2011, Pinterest crossed the 3 million mark with 3,295,000 users. November 2011, with only a month, it crossed the 4 million mark with 5,855,000 users. December 2011, it jumped exponentially to almost double its size with 7,516,000 users. January 2012, crossed the magical 10 million mark. In less than a year, Pinterest gained 11,716,000 users. Astronomical indeed. Big and small companies are joining the craze and cashing in on Pinterest's awesome performance. Etsy, 50,000 followers with more than 700 pins. Real Simple, 32,000 followers with 1,700 pins. Whole Foods Market, 13,000 followers, more than 600 pins. West Elm, 10,000 plus followers with more than 1,000 pins. These companies are but a small number of companies that are cashing in on Pinterest. Multinational corporations like GE, car makers like Audi and Lamborghini are also jumping in. Traffic. Pinterest's traffic growth is stellar. It is currently enjoying a hockey stick increase. Although Pinterest is reluctant to release official numbers, third-party sites have pegged the number of February 2012 to be 11.1 million hits. This is now being touted as the fastest site to hit 10 million. A study that was posted by Mashable states that Pinterest is second only with Facebook when it comes to user engagement. Pinterest users stay for an average of 89 minutes. Here are some numbers that will shed the light on the topic. Facebook is still king of referrals with 26.4%. StumbleUpon is in second at 5.07%. Google search with 3.62%. Twitter with 3.61%. Pinterest with 3.6%. Pinterest's referral number is bigger than YouTube, Reddit, Google+, and LinkedIn combined. Links. Every pin that is shared on Pinterest has a link that points back to the source. Links in Pinterest are do-follow links as compared to the no-follow on Facebook. Another advantage is Pinterest allows you for backlink arbitrage, which could generate tremendous backlinks to your site. Leads. Lead generation in Pinterest is almost taken care of automatically. If used right, Pinterest would generate a lot of leads for any service or product. One study showed that 80% of pins are repins. Now, what does this tell us? For one, that means that once content is brought to Pinterest, it gets around a lot. This, of course, would translate to a lot of leads. Social sharing. All this talk about Pinterest features are all for the naught without the ability to share. In Pinterest, sharing within the network is called repinning. As a solution for sharing an item found outside of Pinterest, you can add a code to add the Pin It button to your website. WordPress plugins are also available for adding the Pin It button.